Arrive here is CPR. Tama na tayo dito sa malapit na beach sa accommodation ko. It's called Tubod Marine Sanctuary. Perfect pala nung nabukan na place. Malapit siya sa town talaga, sa mga resto and other resorts. Malapit din siya sa beach. Let's see. Banda sa Cocorico. Actually, nag-rent ako ng motorbike para bukas sa next destination ko. Picture lang ako dito kasi baka hindi ako makaabot doon. Pupunta ako ng Palitan Beach. So, pupunta ako doon. This is the sunset. Sige, tapos sa harapan niya meron ditong photo. Okay, try yan. Hindi ko nadala yung DJI ko sa dinner. Just bear with me. Ano pala ako ngayon sa roadside diner. Very affordable.
A few moments later.
I just finished my dinner. And then, duman ako dito sa convenience store. Ano siya, Island Convenience Store. May mga Korean products sila. So, bumili ako nito. Para mamaya may laban tayo. Sana effective siya na hindi ako ma-antokin. And then, meron silang pa-ice. Sana may na rin ako naka-straw. Ito na ang finished product niya. Sakto lang yung kanyang taste for its price. Morning! Heading tayo sa Sawang Point para mag-free dive. So, call time natin is 7:30. 7:50 na. 15 minutes na lang. Pero 2 minutes na naman yung ride. Papunta doon. Just gonna show you some clips ng diving ko later. This is my birthday dive. See you later! Tapos na ng diving namin. And check out na rin ako. And I'm going to my next accommodation. And that is a private one. Bakit? This ko naman. Di ba? Birthday ko na bukas eh. Anyways, yeah. Prepare ako. Wala pa akong halfway doon sa destination. But thank you sa Google Maps. Anyway, let's go! Hi! I'm back! So, dito na ako ngayon sa aking second accommodation. We booked it sa Airbnb. Malapit siya sa port, pero malayo siya sa San Juan. Like, siguro mga 15 to 20 minutes ganyan. Hindi pwedeng hindi tayo mag-room tour talaga. So, start natin dito outside. May pa-couch sila. Outside. Here. They have available books naman. So, ito yung magiging view nyo yan. The jungle. Natin dito. Mayroong kitchen. Pwede kayo magluto. Dito yung entrance. Ayan. Over naman sa. Tapos may provided sila mga spices. Dito naman sa likod yung bed. May enough storage naman. Then meron. And this is the bed. Ito yung makikita nyo during sunset. Kasi washroom. Alright. Then, meron silang rack for your clothes. And this is the main and highlight of this accommodation. Meron sila pa bathtub. Nakita niyo yung fantasy. Diba? Ito yung view nyo habang nililigo kayo. The jungle. Then, at that area naman, meron silang bonfire. Yeah, and that's it for our room tour. Thank you for watching. I think may accommodation din sa baba. Morning. Last night, nag-rain ng very light. So, ito yung view natin today. Basta ang mga kapunuan. Ay, magbabasa tayo ng book while enjoying this view here. Kasi later, check out na tayo. Kaya natin i-enjoy, di ba? Hindi ba natin i-enjoy kasi walang binayaran. Wala lang sa birthday. Anyways, today is my birthday. Officially, 2 years going to 30. Ano ba gagawa? Wala magagawa. Ganun talaga.
Later that same evening.
Guys, I'm here in Coco Grove. I'll be having my dinner for my birthday. Hindi na ako nakapag-video earlier kasi ang dami nangyari. And nagpahinga din ako. So this is my outfit for today and I will have my solo dinner. I've been doing this for like 8 years na. Intimate and solo. Medyo madilim na. It's nice to experience these things in my 20s. Ito yung in-order ko, chili, garlic, shrimp pasta, and then banana ginger. Nag-request ako ng nilagay ng konting ginger. Finished from photo booth. We're there. In front of Coco Rico. So I got this one. I'm gonna post this on Instagram. Heading back to my accommodation kasi nga my work pa person. Nag-jacket ako kasi ang lamig. And also good night people. That's a wrap for my birthday.
Tomorrow for sure.
Good morning! It's 11 in the morning. Medyo tinanghali na tayo ng gising and preparation. So, napalonder pa ako. So, wala na akong masuot. Anyways, ito yung pinaka-kulay ko talaga. And I want to explore beaches and falls this time. And I'm going to sa Lazi and Maria Park. Medyo malayo siya, mga 30 to 1 hour. Pero, kayanin. Why not? Ito yung choice. Siguro, along the way na lang kain.
On the time, on the day.
Yes.
You want to have a photo with?
And I told them, it's nice to discover another paradise, right?
Oh yeah, it is. Of course, we can have everywhere nice beaches
Yes.
and all that, but it's everywhere different. What have you done here in City Hall so far?
I went to only just Paliton. The last time I just did free diving and
Where?
in Maite Marine Sanctuary
Yeah.
and Sawang Point.
Oh.
Yes. First stop for today. And then later, siguro magpunta naman ako lunch after this. I have a guide earlier. Her name is Lulu. She's a foreigner. She's so nice and helpful sa maging guide dito. First time kong mag-swim. Tapos, 10 meters lang naman siya. So, it's once in a lifetime experience. Guys, ang ganda! Ang ganda! Nag-lunch muna ako dito sa Hapitanan. Along the way siya sa Lazi. Here's my food. So, I got combo meal. So, you have a choice of chicken or liempo. Ayun. Then, it comes with drinks as well. Yeah, so good. Decided to drop by here at Kagusuan Beach. No social, sabi nito do not enter. At naka-open yung gate. Let's see kung ano ba naman dito. Nakakatakot. And to the unknown. Naawa sa akin si Kuya. Actually, private property to. Naawa na sa akin si Kuya kasi baka maligaw ako doon. I can't afford na maligaw. Ano lang. Can't na reach. Oh, Dogo! Hello! Ah! Pala dun. Ah. Perfect yayog yun!
Eventually.
Dito tayo, kanan tayo. Buti na lang meron na ditong tao and police na pwedeng mag-assist para hindi na maligaw. So, hindi na siya secret. Kung may time pa ako later after here, baka mag-Pitogo Cliff na lang ako. Sayang kasi yung time. Guys, tingnan niyo yung daan. Para siyang yung man-made forest no, sa Bohol. And another thing nakakatuwa kasi local people, pag nagtatanong sila na, mag-isa ka lang ma'am? And then, I will say, yes. Sabi niya, ang galing mo naman. I think the achievement and the proudest moment for myself. People think that I'm cool. And I mean, nag-paid off naman lahat ng preparation ko bago yung solo trip na to. Sabi nila, parang 15 minutes na yung lakad papunta sa beach. But, unfortunately, and the saddest part, na hindi naman ito yung pinaka-main purpose ko sa travel na to. But yung kanilang balsa, hindi siya available kasi maalan daw ngayon. So, what I have to do na lang is to picture. Kasi sayang naman yung pinunta ko dito, sobrang layo nito. Tayo sa Pitogo Cliff na naligaw-ligaw pa ako. Ano po? Isa lang po. Hanggang anong oras kayo, kuya?
By 1:56.
Ah, okay. Pa-sunset na. Ano po? Ito yung dadaanan niyo. Going to... Ganda ng view. We got rainbow for our last full day. Thank you, Lord. Ang ganda oh. I decided not to continue in Lacano Cave. I think hindi na ako akabo. And hindi pa rin kasi ako nakapag-sunset here sa Tubod Beach, which is malapit na siya sa accommodation ko. Kasi medyo ampun-ampun lang tonight, today, this afternoon. Kaya medyo haggard na. Maghapon ba naman? Good morning! And like 7:30 na ng umaga. Nandito ako ngayon sa Shaka. This is my last breakfast here in City Hall. I don't want to leave yet. I feel like it's somehow my hometown. And yung peace, yung quiet, yung solemnity, yung place is sobrang ganda talaga. Like, you really enjoy and reconnect to nature again. Wala pa akong ganung tulog. Ang daming sakit sa katawan ko kasi saan ako pumunta, kung anong pinagagawa ko dito sa island. But it's all worth it as in. So yun, I have breakouts na nga eh. But I really wanted to like spend last few hours here in Sikihor na like it's more meaningful and worth it and really appreciate the place. And also, I think I have to wrap it up here kasi mababa pang travel later going back to Cebu and Palawan for tomorrow. This trip was a blast and ang daming na-alter sa brain ko because of this trip. Once in your life, kailangan nyo mag-solo travel for you to experience things, realize things. Mas matapang kayo once you travel alone and experience things na you feel like hindi nyo nagagawa. Alam nyo, ang dami kong first time dito sa Sikihor. Alam mo kung pwede ko na ikwento lahat ng may experience ko dito sa vlog. Pero you can just see it and most of it parang first time ko talaga siya. And yun nga sabi ko sa yesterday na pinaghandaan ko talaga yung trip na to. And yeah, I think that's it for this vlog. This is birthday vlog na naging first solo travel vlog. I hope you really enjoy this and experience things with me. I'm happy to share this experience to you. I hope you guys also find your peace, happiness, your healing. Bye guys! See you in the next vlog!